everyone, it's Connie. And since this issue of our video newsletter is about packing, I want to give you my packing tip. Several years ago, when Diana had her shop in Seneca, that's how I got to know her. And one of the things that we always talked about, of course, was travel. Well, I told her my way of making sure that I knew what was in my bag before I ever left. So what I do is I roll my clothes. I put them in these 2.5 gallon Ziploc bags. What I generally do is put everything I need for the day into one Ziploc bag. But I place it in the bag, and here I've just put quite a few shirts that I might wear on a trip. You can see everything that's in the bag. You don't have to wonder, you don't have to move them around. Get all the air out of it, and then you're ready to pack. You can have so many more things in the bag than you could if you just packed it regularly. And then when you're finished, you just put your dirty clothes in the bag, and that way you don't have to worry about the rest of your bag being scented with your dirty clothes. I've used this method for several years and I really like it. I hope you will use it. Let me know if you like it or not. I hope you'll be able to tell me on the next Making Memories tour that you're taking with me.